and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to take you through a bootstrap tutorial on how to change text color and background, how to do text alignment, and how to change font size. Stick around till the end. After creating a new file, HTML file, you need to get the library before you start coding. The library for Bootstrap. This is the website for Bootstrap. So by clicking on this, you can copy the link, which is for the JavaScript and CSS. Okay, I've already copied that. Let's continue to the example. I want to create a paragraph and then change text color. In Bootstrap, there are different categories of coloring. They come with different names. So text primary is for color blue. For background, BG black. This will set the color to blue and the background to black. I'll make a copy of this one and change the color. Danger is for red. Success is for green. Warning is for yellow. Okay, for different color ranges you can go again to the website, Bootstrap website, to the utilities section and colors. By going through these different examples you can practice different colors. Okay, let's run this and see. Here we go, there are different colors. Now let's go to the next example. Text alignment. How do we do text alignment in Bootstrap? Again, we type text and then center. This is to center align. For right alignment, we don't type right. Instead, it is int. For left, it is start, which is by default. Okay, let's run and see. So here we have center alignment, right alignment, and left alignment. Okay, with the last example, I want to show you how you can change the font size. For font size, we have different heading levels. They are called display 1 to 6. Display 1 being the largest heading, display 6 is the smallest. So let's set this one to display 6, the smallest one, and a copy of this one. I want to make it a heading 1, display 1. Let's align this one to center for the heading. Now you can see that display 1 is very large and display 6 relatively smaller. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.